Even if I, as an experienced and trained lawyer, need advice on an area where I'm not fully versed in, I go to outside counsel. Why do I believe them? Because I trust them. AI cannot be trusted. This idea of replacing a lawyer is based on a misunderstanding what a lawyer actually does. A lawyer is able to analyze a very complex real-life situation and bring it in line with a legal standard. A lawyer identifies the elements of a real-life situation, subsumes that under a legal concept, and then he finds the element where he applies judgment. Judgment is a core human trait, and it must be a core human trait, because if it becomes a technology trait, we make ourselves slaves to the technology. If a society exists out of AI, then AI can solve their own problems.